Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to read contacts list in Sketchware app. So here I have a list view, which is list view 1, and I have created a custom view which contains text view 1 and text view 2 for name and phone number, and I have also added a text view 2 which is for displaying the total number of contacts. Okay, now we go to events. So here I have imported these things which are used in the codes: manifest, package manager, cursor, contacts, contract, activity compat, and context compat. All these things I have imported. Then I have switched on in library, I have switched on app compat and design, and in permission I have added permission to read contacts. Here you can see read contacts. I have checked this android.permission.read contacts. Okay, so for the permissions, here in on create I use this code to check for permission. You can copy this code from my blog. Here I have put this code. Okay, you can copy these and the permission, yeah, this one, check self permission, and all these things are there, so you can copy this part. So here it checks if the permission is granted, and if read contacts permission is not granted, then it requests permission, and if permission is granted, then it reads contacts. Okay, and after request permission, the next code which will be executed is on request permission result. So here I have created a custom block in developer tools, a custom event in developer tools called on request permission result. Okay, and this is the code which I used. But if you do not have this, then you can put the code directly in on create event as the last block. Like here you can put this add source directly block and copy this code. This is on request permission result code, so it will require an opening curly bracket in the beginning and one bracket less in the end, so that you can copy and paste here. So this will give the on request permission result. So in this we check if request code is 100 and if permission is granted. If permission is granted, then we read contacts. Okay, this read contacts is this more block. Here you can see this read contacts, and here also it is same. So like this you can add. Okay, but here I have created a new event and put everything here. Okay, here you can see if request code is equal to 100 and if permission is granted, then read contacts, else toast a message that permission is denied. So this is here. Now we create the read contacts. So here I have get all contacts block. It is of type list map. Okay, you can see it returns list map here. You can create it by going to more block and click on create, and here you have to select list map, and here you can write get all contacts like this. Okay, and then just add this. So in this I have added this code. Here first I define a new list map called contact list. This is a list map, which means array list, hash map, string object. Then I define a content resolver, and after this I define a cursor. So after this, if cursor is not null and cursor count is more than 0, then I have a while loop So while cursor dot move to next, here in this loop I get the name of the contact using this code, and then I get the phone number of the contact using this code. Okay, after this I create a map variable called contact. This is a new map variable, and inside this map variable I put the key name with value name. This is the string name which I have put here, and similarly I put key number value phone number, and then I add it to the list map, which is contact list. Here in the beginning I defined contact list, so in contact list I add the contact, and then I close the cursor and display the or return the contact list, which is a list map. So this block will return a list map, and it can be used as a list map. Okay, so I use it in another more block, which is read contacts. It is a normal more block, and inside this I use this block list view 1 set list custom view data get all contacts and list view 1 refresh data, and I also get the length of this and display it in text view 2. So that's all here. In onBind custom view I have this text view 1 in which I display the key name and I display the key number in text view 2. So let's check this app. So here is the app, and you can see it is showing all the contacts. They are double or triple because most of them are in SIM card and phone and 2-3 places, so that's why they are repeated. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching.